Okay, we can leave VideoMaker FX open. However, we're going to open up a browser and go to teamwoocar.com/login and log in with your username and password. And if you've never been to this site, you'll want to make sure that you watch this video right here first, the welcome video. And then you'll want to progress over to the menu item on the left called Traffic Rotator. You don't need to go anywhere else right now. On this Traffic Rotator, you'll want to click Job Dashboard. Be sure and watch this red overview video first, and it'll give you a little more training than you really need at this point, but it's good to have that information. Also on this page, you'll be able to keep track of the credits that you earn by looking in this green box. And these credits are awarded to you after your videos go through QA review. So don't expect this number to climb immediately. But you can kind of watch it and keep an eye on it. You will earn credits as long as you're following the instructions. If you're using our templates that you download, you don't need to worry about any of the rules, because our our video templates that we give you conform to the rules. But at some point you'll want to review the PDF that shows you the rules, because eventually you'll want to start making your own templates. Okay, so how do you grab a keyword? Well, you'll want to decide if you want to do a BA video or a customer video. And if you remember, the template that we downloaded was called Kinetic Customer, so it's indicating that we're going to do a customer video for that. So you'll want to click this link right here, and notice how it presents you with a keyword. So you just want to copy this keyword, highlight it, and copy it, and go back and open up VideoMaker FX. It should be open on your taskbar. You'll want to go to slide number 1 and go to text area 3. And notice right here it says add your keyword phrase here, over here on the right. Hope you can see my cursor. So when you get to this box, you can either click and drag and highlight this and delete it, or you can use Control A on your keyboard to select all and then delete, and then either right click and paste or Control V. Now, one thing you want to make sure of, let me just pause this slide right here. Notice how you can see the keyword displayed on screen. I like to vertically align this. Well, let's actually do top. Yeah. Just like it was. If your keyword string is really, really long, like for example, you know, there's all this extra stuff right here. Well, it looks like you could have up to 4 lines of text and it would fit. So we actually should be really good here with this text size. But notice over here, you can change the text size to smaller or larger. We're going to leave it right at 60 and it should be fine. Okay, so now your keyword is pasted in, and unless you're going to change some of these other slides, like the names on these testimonials, you're good to go. So once your keyword phrase is pasted in, all you're going to do is hit this export project icon. It's the 7th icon up here at the top, and it's going to present you with a file path. This should be your My Documents folder, then your VideoMaker FX folder, and then exported videos. But then notice here at the end, you'll have to scroll to the right, you have this file name right here. Right now it says kineticcustomer.mp4. What you want to carefully do at this point is position your cursor to the left of the .mp4. Use your backspace key to remove the words Kinetic Customer, and while your cursor is right there blinking at you between the slash and the dot, you want to right click and paste in your keyword. So notice this is the keyword that you've pasted in. Now, it's very important if you're using Windows that if you have a website that is part of your keyword phrase, like you see right here, thomascook.com, that you backspace over the dot in thomascook.com and replace it with either a space or a dash. Because in Windows you can't have a file name with two dots, so it can't be thomascook.com.mp4, so we had to remove that. And just a word of warning, sometimes you will have a website name as part of your keyword that may look like this, travel.yahoo.com. It'll have two dots. So again, you want to leave the .mp4, but go to the dot and backspace over it and put a dash, and then go to the other dot, backspace over it and put a dash, so that you only have one dot in your file name. Then all you're going to do is click Start Video Export, and this will begin to create your video. Now this might take a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this video and come back with the next video as this processes. It's going to hopefully let you see how this looks. There it goes. So it'll start rendering, and I'm going to go ahead and stop this video and I'll be back with the next one.